Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Gallardo Highway Patrol Edition by Bburago. I'm hoping that this casting would be good compared to the other two which it doesn't need any knife. Let's see how this one actually looks in hand. Okay, take it out. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks good, but it does have paint job issues. You can see paint bubbling in. See, these are new castings. You just need to understand that. So it has this, siren here, which is in acrylic. I mean, it's actually a plastic, not even proper acrylic. So, okay, the tires are actually rubber on this one. The rims looks really nice, if you ask me. And the headlights are painted, which I was not expecting, to be honest. And tail lights are also painted, again not expecting that for this price point. So exhaust details are painted. Oh my god. So okay, so it does have some interior detailing to it, which is really nice. Chromed out steering wheel and all. So let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension, but it is so low to the ground. It actually looks really nice, if you ask me, compared to the Aventador. The detailing and all looks better. It's not good, it's better than that one. Okay. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It says Maestro here. This guys, look at this. It's Bburago, but in the chassis itself, it is saying Maestro. Okay, I missed to see that one in that Aventador. Let's see. So this one says Bburago here. So it was run by Maestro. Okay, that's why they have this low ground clearance. Okay, I got it. Because Maestros, if you remember, if you guys seen my older videos, all these things, these are Maestros, which exactly matches with this one. I was a bit wondering that why it looked familiar. Now I know. It says Maestro. Okay, let's try this casting now. $17 grams. That's it. Not more than that. But at least they have interior detail, proper good interior detailing to it compared to the Aventador one. So the chromed out things, these are more specific towards Maestro. If you pick any Maestro, most of the Maestros actually have this chromed out interior. So let's see if it rolls well. It doesn't even roll. I do have a cellophane tape here so that it can slip really well. So I just made that change last week, but still it doesn't roll at all. But here, if you push it, it is rolling a bit. But honestly, that's I was a bit confused because that one had plastic tires. This one actually has a different cool set of rims and rubber tires. Okay, so now that makes sense. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.